Alright, so we're going to be talking about the lean process and a little bit more in depth with muda, which is talking about the 7 deadly wastes or sins. So waiting is the time wasted for the patient waiting for the referral to be processed and validated by the doctor's office before being sent over to the new provider. Transportation. The unnecessary travel that patients have to do when the referral does not go through to the new provider. Overprocessing. When the patient is being referred, the referral must be verified in multiple stages by different people before it's processed and given to the next provider. The defects. The errors that are created within the multiple stages of approval can risk delaying the patient from receiving care. Inventory. The wasted inventory are the referrals that are getting processed and waiting for the next stage of approval, but end up getting denied when getting quality checked. So motion. The wasted actions of repetitiveness of redoing referrals and having different people look at the same referral process or defects can cause wasted time. Overproduction. Although very rarely that occurs within the referral process, overproduction can happen when a referral is generated for a patient that may not have needed the service in the first place.